The compensation demand is now $55 billion, up from 50 that I demanded yesterday. This is for two reasons. First is that my thigh was twitched again, and second is that every single Friday when I wake up very early morning and I am preparing to begin my weekly exercise sessions, some piece of shit asshole comes to the roof and begins to forcibly drag furniture against the floor or drag some heavy metallic object that emits an unbearable sound that feels like it cuts the brain through the ears with a knife. And they do it every single Friday early morning without failure. They don't miss a single week. And I've been training for 3 months already. 3 months of that torture right as I'm about to begin my fucking weekly training sessions. And today is Friday. Right now it is early morning in Israel, Friday, and they are doing this shit again. So you know what? Keep doing this shit, and every time you do this, I'm going to add $5 billion to the demand, and then it will become 10. I will add tens of billions dollars for every single Friday morning that you ruin for me with the noise attacks.